You coughing, you coughing.
Oh, God.
Say
Should have never gone to North Dakota, dude.
Okay.
I can provoke.
Iowa. Actually, it's Iowa. I didn't want to say real estate. It's
Dude.
Iowa.
Iowa.
Yeah.
Now wait a minute. There's a big difference in North Dakota
Dude,
and Iowa.
Iowa's on the.
Iowa's on.
Who's fucking? He's from
Oh,
Iowa.
really? Oh, I was thinking about Utah.
No,
I've been to Iowa. It's all fucking.
Yeah, he's coughing all the time.
So you're surrounded by corn, aren't you?
Yeah. It's funny. Wisconsin's right over here, and then there's like Michigan's right there, a few miles away. Minnesota, they're all right next to here.
Yeah, but when you go into Iowa, it's like there's just a cornfield. You know, it's like
Yeah.
as you start to get close to Iowa, you start seeing these cornfields.
A cornfield, yes.
You cross
And
the state
it's
line,
right.
it's just like corn.
When I
Yeah.
when I came here last night, it was dark, and these guys were in a pickup truck in front of me, and they had 3 deer that they had shot with their shotguns, right? And they had them propped up like they were like reindeer in a row.
Oh, you felt like Santa Claus. Next time it is mine.
Honest to God, they had them like with their heads together, you know, propped up.
Nancy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm talking Danish right now, okay?
What?
They hunt.
Nancy, prøv at lade være med at gøre dig selv helt til grin. De er ude efter de er ude efter at gøre dig til grin. Så
Med til latter.
vær forsigtig med hvad du siger, fordi de er ude efter at gøre dig til grin.
Ja. Okay.
Forstår du hvad jeg mener?
Ja.
Okay. They are off. Yeah, you know.
Ja.
De er simpelthen ude på at få dig ned med nakken.
Men det
Så putter de
skal
der.
de jo. Skal de jo.
Ja.
Lov for det.
Så ja, jeg prøver bare på at beskytte dig, okay? Jeg er din ven, okay?
Ja.
And I
Yeah,
will
be
step.
careful, Nancy. If you're drunk, people, men, who's gonna try to call you?
No, it was not what I said. It's not what I said.
We do understand.
Nancy understands when I talk Danish because she's from Norway, so she understands my Danish, and I understand her Norwegian.
Yeah.
So we have a secret language, so no one of you fucking understand. Okay? Nancy?
Ja.
Jeg vil bare lige advare dig, fordi at de er ret, de kan være ret hårde og ret kolde i det her rum. Okay? Okay. Warning. Number 1.
Ja. Takk for
Love ya.
Love ya. Takk for advarselen.
Ja. Du er velkommen. Altid.
Ja, just.
Du ved, du kan stole på mig.
Hvem har sagt det?
Jeg kender dem. Det er derfor, jeg siger det. Okay?
Ja, men ja.
Ja. Du kan
kan
passe på dig.
sånn idiotene, vet du.
Nej, du kan passe på dig selv. Det er bare lige en lille advarsel. Okay, back to English. Sorry, guys.
Ja, men de skjønner jo faen ikke hva vi babler om.
No, they don't.
Nei. Da godt den her. Yeah.
Bobler.
Hva vi babler om? Hva i helvete? Hva i helvete er det vi snakker om nå? Altså,
Okay, sorry people, that was just an interruption. Sorry, back to English. Nancy, only English, please.
yeah. Only English, please.
Yes, okay. Back to business.
Better or worse?
Yeah.
All right, you can pick on me now. I'm here.
Yeah.
Come to my house. You said, come to my house.
Can I pick on you smoking now?
Yeah?
Why?
what you-
Why should I do that?
Didn't you just say come to my house in Norwegian?
No, I did not. No, I did not.
She is not living in Norway. She is living in Denmark.
But she understands my Danish and I understand her Norwegian. That's why we can speak a secret language.
Oh, secret language?
Yeah.
There's a third person that understands it.
Yeah,
Oh,
Yeah.
shit!
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
no! Oh
I
yeah!
know big
Aye.
fella.
Aye.
Yeah, but tell
Nixnay! Nixnay!
Ixnay.
tell
Nixnay.
me about
Ixnay.
it.
Inas little Pfannkuchen. You didn't understand a word, Philip. Come on.
Nej, for
Because you didn't say anything there, hippie, at all.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Are you on your what headset are you on? Your
Yeah, I'm on the
voice-
landline now. I'm actually
On the-
cable. Ugh.
Oh,
Yeah,
you're
Yeah.
I'm gonna
So
have
on
to
the
do that.
cable?
That'll be in the backyard. Oh well. 2 years. I guess.
Are you
2
on
years.
are you on the cable headset?
Yeah, I'm attached now. Oh, jeez.
Oh, now you can't move. Ha.
Hey, my phone.
I got ya.
Now
That's why I want
Now I
ya.
have to take you to the bathroom with me. Ooh, that's scary.
No, you can't go and pee without
Yeah.
taking your headset off.
Give it that
Oh my
okay.
God. Hippie got me to laugh a lot.
It's TMI, really is. TMI.
Nancy is my friend from Norway, and she's so fucking drunk.
But she hasn't said
No,
where she's from.
no,
Where you from, Nancy?
no.
Yes, you are, Nancy. I can
No,
hear it.
no, I am not.
Nancy, I know you. You're stupid. You're really, really stoned.
No.
How
I'm
many
not.
beer? How many beers
Nine,
did you?
nine, 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 nine,
No.
nine, nine, nine.
Nej.
How many beer did you
Where are you
drink?
from? Where are you from?
Nancy. Norway.
Nancy, where are you
No.
from?
Hippie.
Norway. Norway's
Alright.
like saying I'm from America. Where are you from, Nancy?
Are you
Where?
from America?
Philip is from Baltimore in America.
So tell me
America.
where she's from, hippie.
Yeah,
part?
She's- Which
you
part of
sound
Norway?
pretty young. How old
From-
are you?
Is she near Horton?
Hey,
Is she
Nancy.
near
Nancy.
Oslo? Is she near?
Na-
Is she
Nancy.
north?
Nancy, listen
Ja.
to me. Fingrene væk. Han er min.
Hva? Få han vekk?
Fingrene væk fra ham.
Ja, han er jo så
Where are you
ung
from?
at det gidder jo ikke jeg, eller?
The one who ham der snakker lige nu til dig.
Ja.
Fingrene væk.
Da vil ikke jeg ha den. Ja, men jeg vil ikke ha den. Hvis han er alt for ung, så gidder ikke jeg å ha noe.
Han er på alder med mig. Han er yngre end dig. Han er ældre end dig.
Oh my goodness, han hørtes så ung ut.
Nancy. Nancy.
Ja.
Fingrene væk. Han er min. Okay?
Nei,
Jo, han er.
nei. Du er
Ja.
gift. Så
Hvor er
er
jeg?
du gift.
Jamen, det er jeg sgu da ligeglad med. Han er
Er du
min.
gift?
Okay?
Ja.
Fingrene væk.
Nej.
Jo!